Good morning everyone. Today we will be learning about rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry, what it means? Now let me show you what do you mean by rotational symmetry. Okay. So here Neha and parents visit a fair on Sunday. Okay, this is a fair going on. This Ferris wheel is so huge it looks like a circle and it is rotating around its center. So it is rotating from here. As you can see here, this Ferris is rotating like this. Okay. Now, yes, Neha, the center of the wheel around which it is rotating is known as center of rotation. So from this making this a wheel go round, round, round. So it means that this one is center of rotation. Now that what is the angle the which a plane figure completes one rotation around the center of rotation? Now is there any angle by which a plane figure take complete round? Okay, take complete round means if red one is here and then it moves like this and it comes again here, this red one, so it will be equals to how many what is the angle? 360. 360 is the complete rotation. Okay, so let us rotate the line and check the angle made by it rotates the center of the rotation. As you can see, this is the original position of the angle, then it moves like this. Suppose this is a pencil and we are keeping it to the original position. Now we will move this pencil to like this. So this is the 90 degree. Okay, if I move this pencil and the face of this pencil comes down, so this is 180 degree. If I move this pencil like this and then it comes like this, then it will be 270 degree. So it is equals to 3/4 turns. And again if I move this pencil like this and then it will become, this face comes up and this down one like black part comes down. So this is the complete turn. Now we have got this face again at the top. So this is the again the 360 degree. So first original position, then 90 degree, that is quarter turn, then half turn, that is 180, then this 3/4 turn, that is 270, and then again the original position complete rotation, that is say 360 degree. So this is complete rotation here. Okay, so we have been given some definition here. So complete rotation makes an angle of 360 degree around the center of rotation. Okay, so complete rotation happens in the angle when you want to move a complete figure, so it will be 360. So the angle at which an object rotates around the center of rotation is called the angle of rotation. So here you have to mark this thing. The angle of rotation object rotates is called center, is called the angle of rotation. Here I have got one more. The center of wheel around which it is rotating is known as the center of rotation. Wheel you cut and just write figure. Okay, figure. So here the angle at which, so the angle at which we rotate the figure, okay, center of rotation is called the angle of rotation. So there are some objects given. So this is the original position. When we move this E to 90, so it will look like this. When we move this E to 180, so it will turn down, and when we move this E at 270 degree, it will look like this, and when we move E to the 360 degree, it will look like this. As you can see here, we are only getting this E, similar E only in this part. So number of time it looked the same is 1. It is not looking the same. Here it is not same, as it is E, the lines are at the right side, and here E is lines are at the left side. So only one time it is looking same till 360 degree. So now this arrow, we have already seen this arrow. So at 90 degree it will look like this, 180 degree it will look like this, 270 it will look like this, and 360 it will come to its original position. And then again in this also, as you can see, the arrow is looking same only at this position. So the angle of this figure looks same only at one time. In square, if you move your square in 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, every time it will look same. We cannot tell the difference here because the square is simple, and if we are moving the square, it will look same. So 4 time it will look same. Now rectangle, when we will move this rectangle here, it will look like this. Then 180 degree it will look like this, and then 270 degree it will look like this, and then 360 degree it will look like this. 2 time it will look similar. 1, 2. At 360 degree, 180 degree it is looking similar, so 2 times. So observe that all the figure look the same after rotation. Okay, 360 के बाद में आपको same बिल्कुल same figure you are getting. So rotation 360 degree. So the number of times a figure looks the same in one rotation is called order of rotation symmetry. So do remember this thing, that how many times the figure is looking same in one rotation is called order of rotational symmetry. From the above table we can say that the order of rotational symmetry of a square is 4. As you can see, 4 times it looks same, so 4. Okay, and the rectangle looks 2 times same, so it will, the order of rotation will be 2. One more thing that you have to remember, if a figure takes its original position only after a rotation of 360 degree, okay, means only one time it will look same. After 360 degree it does not have rotational symmetry. It will not have rotational symmetry, means the figures that will look same only one time, that too at 360 degree, it will not have order of rotational symmetry. So here, which of the following have rotational symmetry? As you will move this star like this 90 degree, it will look same. Okay, 180 degree it will look same, 270 degree it will look same, and then 360 degree it will look same. So order of rotational symmetry will be 4, and this will be the order of rotation will be there. Okay, but in this, if you will move this 90 degree, okay, so how it will look? Like this. Okay, then in 180 degree it will look like this, and then in it will look like this 270 degree, and after that it will look like this in 360 degree. So it does not look same till this will look 360 degree, it will look like this. Only one time it is looking same, that too at 360 degrees, so it will not have rotational symmetry. In this also, if you will move like this, it will not look same. Okay, if you will move like this, that too it will be opposite, it will not look same. Then here also only one time it will look same, so it will not have order of rotational symmetry. Here it will look same in this is original position, and 90 degree also it will look 180 degree also it will look same. So and 360 degree it will look same. It is just as rectangle, so it will have order of symmetry, that is 2. Okay, so rotational symmetry will be there. How now this figure will always look same. Now how many order of rotation will be there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 rotational symmetries. Find the order of rotation of following figures. So these all will be having rotational figures, and then he is asking how many times it will look same. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 time it will look same. Again here also it will take look how many times same. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 time you can move this figure and it will look same. Again here also how many times it will look same. It will look same only at 180 degree and 360 degree, so it will be 2 times. And this will, if you will move this figure 4 time, it will look same at 90 degree also, at 180 also, 270 also, 360 also, so 4. Now in the order of the sentence, maths is all around find the letter with line symmetry. We have done line symmetry last time. So how will maths will be divided? Like this you can divide, and this will become reflection figure. A also you can divide like this, T also you can divide like this, H you can make like this, line of symmetry, I you can make this, O infinite number of line of symmetries, U you can make like this, and D you can divide it like this. Okay, rotational symmetry will be H you can move, it will look 2 times same, S you can move, it will look same 2 times, N you will move, it will look same 2 times, and O how many times you want to rotate, you can rotate it. Both line and rotational symmetries, O and H will have line also and rotational symmetry also. As you can say, you can draw H, and here also we have H written, O also. Draw a figure with the following figure. As you know that this is a trapezium, it will not look same, even though only one time it will look same. So it will not have any order of rotational symmetry, so it will be 0. 2 rectangle will have 2 times, because we have done here 2 times it looks same, so 2. Now 4 example will be square, as square has 4 rotational symmetry, so we have written 4 here. What is the order of rotational symmetry of a circle? Circle you can rotate as much as you can. so it will have infinite rotational symmetry. So students, now your worksheet, this chapter is complete. Worksheet is your homework. I hope that you people will be able to do it, and there will be a test of chapter 6 also on Monday. Please prepare it well. Okay students, bye bye.